how to use rules animations in sequencers. In this project, we have these characters, and these characters have the boxing animations. And yeah, let's get started. And I will close this one. And first, I will drag our characters into the scene and move to here. And now I will drag this character into the sequencer. And I will click here and add idols animation. And we'll drag to here and add another animation. I use these animations now. And here I will drag to here and right click and select this one and select hips. And here I will select another animation. Also, I use idols again, and I play it, and I adjust it. You can see this animation is back to the root. So I will do the same thing. I will select the hips, and yeah, you can see it's perfect now. And the next, I will select boxing. And here, if I select this one again, and yeah, you can see this animation have some things wrong. So I will delete it. And now I add this animation again. And before that, I will tell you, I will use this character's left foot. And I will select this left foot and we play it again. Yeah, you can see this animation is better than before. And next, I will drag this one into here. And we play it again. Yeah, you can see this animation is perfect. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.